I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, decision time, key weekly candle close coming in about 6 hours. So previously we talked about how every time Bitcoin ran up to this $39,000 level, it got rejected considerably, 24%, 25%. Now, essentially this could be a bear trap where, so if confirmed, you get a weekly candle close above this level, and the bears, essentially shorts, everybody went short right here, and they're trapped now. And now you're up here about 41,850. So this is important because, I mean, the bulls essentially, this was the ceiling, and now it's potentially going to be the floor after a bullish close on the weekly chart, the weekly candle for Bitcoin. So understand this key level overhead exists at about 43,300. That's the next major test. I mean, you start to, and understand, see this trend line right here, this yellow trend line. Price action ran up here, got rejected, ran up here, got rejected, ran up here, got rejected. Here it acted as support, here it acted as resistance. So this is a key area right here. You start to see this level broken, 43,300. and a breakout of this trend line. Things change. Things change. If you're looking for altcoins to enter, you want to get some type of pullback. Always easier to enter on a Bitcoin pullback for these altcoins. I say, hey, sometimes you got to buy the red candles to sell the green ones. If you go over to the daily chart, you can see that Bitcoin, I'm really focused on price action. So you've been in this downtrend for an extended period of time. The most important part is you got a breakout of the falling wedge. This previous resistance as well as this resistance have both become support now. So even if you did get a small move to the downside and then another bullish impulse higher, I mean, you have room for 42,300, 44,000 could be potentially in the cards. I mean, you really want to see Bitcoin break above these levels, level by level, right? I mean, it's a step in the right direction. You got some hidden bearish divergence down here, but on the histogram, it's easily negated. So again, you just need the bulls to show up. I think a lot of the price action over the next 24 hours, which I'm looking for a move out of Bitcoin over the next 24 hours because the traditional market's open. What's the SPX going to do? We're going to talk about that in just a second. So looking for a move out of Bitcoin. And like I said, there's room for a move higher, but if you do get that pullback, you're going to get really good entries for some of these altcoins. We're going to talk about metaverse, GameFi, NFTs have been taking off. This is a Bitcoin 2-hour chart. On a technical level, this is a Bitcoin bull flag. This is supposed to break to the upside. Just gives the price action some time to consolidate. You have this run up where essentially small bear trap, really this kind of a wick, just really a scammy wick. So again, the most important thing is it's not about, like if you're holding a bunch of coins, all you care about is where it's going and you will stress yourself out. But for me, if I can get in on a pullback, I'm going to load up on some altcoins. Right? If not, you get another drive higher, the altcoins are going to take off. And as soon as Bitcoin stops and consolidates, then altcoins move well too. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person joined the group for 6 months and he's amazed. He said in a week, he made a few trades and he paid for the entire membership. The group pays for itself. It's no brainer. This person started with $1,000 2 months ago in the group, and on these Kucoin gem picks made about $23,000 in actually $22,000 in 2 months. This person joined the group about 2 months ago. He's up 235%. This person, 4 days in, fourth day in the group, made $4,000. If you're not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. SPX, so I feel like this will move the market over the next 24 hours. So right now, I mean, this is in a rising wedge. 68% chance it breaks to the downside. Wouldn't be good necessarily for Bitcoin if that happens. A breakout here on the stocks, on the SPX, I think drags Bitcoin higher. So it's all about to happen. If you go over to Binance, there's a VIP link in the description. You can sign up for Binance there. A lot of people outside the US trade on Binance, and you can go through, and it's really, you got to find the money flow in this market, and that's how we do so well in the trading group. So you can see NFTs, you've got a ton of double-digit gainers. If you go over here to gaming, a lot of them, again, overlap, but double-digit gainers. Metaverse has been strong, gaming, NFTs, right? So we're focusing on those coins. So what you can do is go down and look at, hey, what coins haven't taken off yet? What you can do is scroll down in these groupings and figure out, hey, what coins haven't taken off? What coins should I be looking at? And so somebody posts DAR in the trade. That's the best part about the group is we got 5,000 plus people watching the charts all the time, giving ideas on setups that they see. That's the hardest part in this market is finding which coins to trade, right? So we have a team, thousands and thousands of people working together. So anyways, the point is find the money flow and concentrate on these coins. Yesterday, we talked about One Earth. 7,600 people saw this. I said, hey, parabolic move and pump. Parabolic move to the downside, and will we get another move higher? Banging. We had 50% gains in a day out of One Earth from yesterday. If you got in on this trade, for sure you made something. Super gaming NFT metaverse project, bull flag. It's starting to move now. There's some volume coming in. Posted this in the trading group a while ago. It's up about 5%, but this is one to put on your radar, right? These coins like to run up and kiss the 200 simple moving average, just like it did here, just like it did here, just like it did here. It's like a magnet, just like it did here. Okay, so potentially it's headed up there. Over time, Bitcoin acts right, you'll see more upside out of Super. The NAKA token is for Nakamoto Games Play to Earn ecosystem. And here's the chart. I posted this earlier. Got about a 9% gain, 9% pump. Right now, here's the most important part to watch for NAKA. Is the price action came up here, got rejected, came up here, got rejected, came up here, got rejected. Now it's right here again, right? After some volume, see this big volume spike. So, it did pump, but you want to see it break this level at about 50 cents. If it breaks 50 cents, you can see 52, 55, 58, 61 cents out of NAKA. Again, gaming is hot. Super is getting started. One Earth, we nailed it yesterday for 50% gains. If you guys always remember with these setups that Bitcoin will throw these things around like rag dolls. If Bitcoin doesn't cooperate, these altcoins won't either, right? But these are the coins that I've been watching banging. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.